Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a beetroot pachadi. This is an essential curry for Onam sadya. Let's get into the video. Here I am using one big size beetroot. The skin of the beetroot I peeled out and I am going to grate it. I am grating on the bigger blade of the grater. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Here I am using my clay pan. Once the oil is heated, add 1 green chilli and some curry leaves. Adding the grated beetroot and mix well. Adding required amount of salt. Now reduce the flame to the medium and cover it and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Don't add any extra water. Beetroot itself has enough water to cook this. In between, open the lid and give a good mix. Meanwhile, I am going to grind the coconut. For this, I used half cup of freshly grated coconut. Into this, I am adding 4 to 5 shallots, 2 green chillies, some curry leaves and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add little water and grind to a fine smooth paste. Now the beetroot is well cooked and there is no water. Adding the coconut paste into this. Give a good mix. Cover it and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes so that all the raw smell of the coconut will disappear. Turn off the flame and wait for 1 minute. After 1 minute, I am going to add the curd. First, I am adding 1 cup, that is 250 ml of curd. I just beat the curd for 1 second. Don't beat it more, then it will become buttermilk. Check the salt and add if necessary. I am adding little more. Adding more half cup of curd. So total 1.5 cups of curd I added. Again, turn on the flame and reduce to the lowest. Don't boil it, then the curd will separate. Just give a little heat to the curry, that's enough. Adding mustard powder, I used half teaspoon of mustard and crushed to a fine powder. Turn off the flame and keep it aside. So I'm going to season the curry now, adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard and allow it to splatter fully. Adding 2 shallots finely chopped, 2 to 3 red chillies and some curry leaves. Fry it until the shallots are golden brown. Add into the curry. Cover it and let it sit for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we are going to transfer this into a serving bowl. Try this recipe for the Onam sadya. Please like, share and subscribe. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.